Want to know how to easily connect Livestorm with Zapier and automate your workflows? You're in the right place. Stick around until the end and I'll show you how to streamline your processes in no time. First, if you're new to Livestorm, it's an incredibly powerful platform for webinars, virtual events, and online meetings. It offers amazing features like automated email reminders, analytics, and integrations with popular tools. Now, when you connect Livestorm with Zapier, you unlock the ability to automatically push your webinar data into hundreds of other apps, making your life a lot easier. Before we get into the process, I want to let you know that you can use Livestorm for free right now with an exclusive bonus if you sign up through the first link in the description. So let's get into it. To get started, the first thing you need to do is sign up for both Livestorm and Zapier if you haven't already. Once you're all set, you're going to be creating a Zap that triggers an action based on your Livestorm events. Once you're logged into Zapier, click on Make a Zap and choose Livestorm as your trigger app. You'll see a list of triggers like new event registration, new attendee, or event started. These triggers are designed to help you automatically take actions when something specific happens in Livestorm. Let's say you want to send a follow-up email to every attendee after an event. You'll select the new attendee trigger. Zapier will then ask you to connect your Livestorm account to Zapier. You'll authenticate by logging into your Livestorm account, and then you'll be able to select the specific event you want to work with. Now that you've set up the trigger, it's time to select an action. This could be anything like adding the attendees' information to a Google Sheet, sending a Slack message to your team, or even adding them to your email marketing list. For example, if you're using MailChimp, select Create Update Subscriber and link your account. Once you choose your action, you'll be prompted to map the fields from Livestorm to the fields in the app you're connecting with. This is super important because it makes sure the right data goes to the right place. Now comes the best part, testing your Zap. Zapier will allow you to test your workflow to make sure everything works as expected. If all goes well, you're good to go. You've officially set up an automated workflow connecting Livestorm with another app. If you want to get even more advanced, you can add multiple actions, such as sending reminders before an event, notifying your team when someone registers, or even creating a calendar event. The possibilities are endless with Livestorm and Zapier. Remember, if you're new to this, it's okay to start simple. Even automating a couple of tasks like registration follow-ups or post-event surveys will save you a ton of time. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to connect Livestorm with Zapier. If you're looking to streamline your event management and marketing efforts, this integration is a game changer. And remember, I've included an exclusive extended free trial for Livestorm through the first link below, so you can start automating today. By using Livestorm with Zapier, you'll save hours of manual work while providing a smoother experience for your attendees. Let me know in the comments how you're planning to use this integration or if you have any questions. Now get out there and start automating your events with Livestorm and Zapier.